is Maria and today we are baking at the Grove. Well, I hope everyone is enjoying their Easter break and spending quality time with their loved ones. And to add sweetness to this family time, we are baking peanut butter chip cookies. Here are the ingredients. When weighing ingredients, make sure you put your empty dish on top of the scale and set the scale to 0. We'll need 130 grams of butter, 100 grams of light brown sugar, 90 grams of castor sugar, 1 cold egg, plus 1 cold egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 250 grams of plain flour, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget the Reese's peanut butter chips. Our magic tool for today is an ice cream scoop to achieve that well-rounded cookies. Let's get baking! Preheat the oven at 150 degrees Celsius, fan forced. Melt the butter on top of the stove at low heat and let cool. Mix your baking soda with your flour. Combine the light brown sugar and castor sugar into the mixer. Mix at number 1 setting and increase the speed to number 2. Slowly add in the melted butter into the sugar mixture. Increase the speed to number 4. When the butter becomes light and creamy, add in the eggs. Then add in the vanilla extract. Turn down the speed to number 2 and slowly add in the flour mixture. And now add in the best ingredients of all, the peanut butter chips. Scrape the sides of the mixing bowl and fold into the cookie dough. And now the fun begins. Let's get scooping! Line your baking tray with a baking sheet and scoop in your cookie dough into the tray. Leave enough space for the cookies to melt in. Place tray into the oven and bake cookies for 15 to 17 minutes. The cookies are done when the edges are lightly toasted. Let it cool for 5 minutes before transferring to the cooling rack. And now on to the next batch. in the comments below if you have tried this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time at The Grove.